Yo, there's a boy.
We mwega muthikiriria na mwiroreri wa Miaki na m.n.m ngwiraga haha niho mucii wigue wi mucii ngetwo muru wa Kimani. Riu muini Joyce irungu nieheranitie na mbica cia urathoni iria iratamba nendaine ukirikana ni ciake. Joyce augite mbica icio ithondeketwo na mutambo wa Photoshop niguo kumuthukiria ritwa. Joyce ongereire witikio wake hari Ngai ndukananinwo na ndugatiga tugatira Ngai amu nioi ma na kihoto ni kwiyumiria gikwiyumiria. Ino niyo ndumiriri ya Joyce irungu akiandikite akauga, this evening I have been informed by my close friend of some unverified stories running on social media. However, I wish to unequivocally dissociate myself with the malicious heavy allegation with attention of damaging my reputation. The story is totally untrue, unfounded, and targeted to disparage my brand. Endelea akauga atiriri, the photos shared online have been manipulated with Photoshop software. Anyone can see they do not represent me in any capacity. They have been photoshopped by some people with ulterior motives, targeting to tarnish and undermine me as a brand, gospel individual, and a business person. The impact of such fake and photoshopped image is profoundly painful and hurting, as they distract from my professional endeavors and strive to make it ought to be condemned in the strongest term as possible. Apparently, I continue to remain steadfast in my commitment to integrity and resilience. Ndio ndumiriri akiandika nene gwitariria ukoro uragitherema wa mbica iria ciragituika ni ciake ti ciake na ni Photoshop. Hihi woni waku ni uriku kumana na ndumiriri ino? Comment no tuike wa gushare Miaki na m.n.m.